I've been dehydrating and freezing papayas today, and so I have a lot of papaya seeds left over. You would think that I would just throw these to my chickens or just put them in the compost, but you can actually use these. They're anti-inflammatory, they have antioxidant properties, anti-parasitic, and really good for your gut health. You can actually eat them raw, but my preference is actually to dry them, and they have a peppery taste to them, so you can use them as a pepper substitute. You do have to be a little bit careful. You don't want to eat any more than a half of a teaspoon to a teaspoon of these a day, or you can get a little bit of GI upset, so your stomach might hurt a little bit. First, I need to wash all of the gel and the little bits of papaya off of my seeds. Now I'll place my seeds on a dehydrator tray that has a plastic insert for doing the fruit leathers, because otherwise obviously it would just fall straight through the holes. So I'll put it right on top of here and try to spread it out in a single layer. If I wanted to do this in the oven, I could. I would just have to place it at the very lowest level and stir it and check it frequently. I try to minimize the amount of papaya pulp that gets in here, but if a little bit does, it's not a big deal. Then I'll spread my seeds out until they're at an even level across the tray, and then I'll place these in the dehydrator at 135 degrees for about 6 hours. I want the seeds to be really crunchy and excessively dry so that I can grind them. I let my papaya seeds dry overnight, and now they're perfectly dry and ready to be placed in my pepper container. I have this pepper grinder that I specifically use for my papaya seeds. And once I have them loaded in there, it's just a matter of grinding them the same exact way that I would with pepper. Any extra papaya seeds that I have, I just put in an airtight container and I'll refill that as needed. Okay, so as far as the taste tester goes, this is of course a little bit harder to do. So it's a very mild, slightly fruity, peppery taste.